Hello children, now we will be doing with the second video of the topic sentences. Okay, in the last video we saw what are sentences and how a sentence can be divided. We divide a sentence into subject and predicate. Today we will be doing with the kinds of sentences. Do you remember how many kinds of sentences you have studied last year? There are 4 kinds of sentences. What are they? Assertive sentence, imperative sentence, interrogative sentence and exclamatory. We have 4 types, isn't it? Do you remember? Let's see the first one. First one is assertive sentence or declarative sentence. These generally end with a full stop. Assertive sentence or a declarative sentence is also called as a statement. Okay, they are of 2 types. We call it as a positive or affirmative, and we can also say it as negative. Now, how will you differentiate? See this one. We live in Kochi. We live in Kochi. That is the first sentence. It's a positive sentence. You are living in Kochi ends with a full stop. A normal sentence. You stated something. The second one is we do not live. Do not. The word not shows that it is a negative sentence. Is it clear? So, assertive sentence or declarative sentences are of 2 types. What is it? Positive or negative. The first one is we live in Kochi, positive sentence, a positive statement. Second one, you use the word not, so it is a negative sentence. Is it clear? The next one is an imperative sentence. What does an imperative sentence consist of? It can be an order, a command, a request or a suggestion. These sentences also end with a full stop. Is it clear? Now, for example, keep your room clean. What type it is, children? It's an order, isn't it? Second one is please help me. What is it? It is a request. The next one is never trust a stranger. It's an advice, isn't it? Children shouldn't trust strangers, so it's an advice. So all the 3 sentences are ending with a full stop. The next type is, we can say, interrogative sentence. How does an interrogative sentence end? It ends with a question mark. Interrogative means questioning sentences. Okay. There are 2 types. First one is yes or no type and the second one is WH questions. Now, are we living now? These 2 sentences, example 1 and 2, the 2 examples what I have written here, they both require an answer, yes or no. These start with helping verbs. Are we going now? Or is there an exam tomorrow? You expect an answer as yes or no. Such questions start with a helping verb. Next one is WH questions. What, when, where, why. For example, first one is what is your name? What is your name? Why are you crying? In such questions, you have to give a sentence as an answer. In the first 2 examples, you just have to say yes or no. In the second one, you have to give a sentence as an example. Is it clear? Now, the next one is, the next type of sentence is an exclamatory sentence. It ends with a mark of exclamation. This one is called as a mark of exclamation. Is it clear, children? Now, when do we use a mark of exclamation, children? We use it when we express a sudden surprise, delight, anger, disgust, enjoyment, your feelings. Whenever you express your feelings, we use exclamatory sentence. The first one is, what a lovely day. You're happy, isn't it? So, we have put an exclamatory mark. How nice of you to come. Again, one exclamatory mark has come. Is it clear? Now, these are the 4 types of sentences which are there. First one is assertive sentence or declarative sentence. Second one, imperative sentence. Third one, interrogative sentence. And fourth one is exclamatory sentence. Now, how will you convert a declarative sentence into, for example, if I say, she is coming. This is a normal declarative sentence, isn't it? How will you convert it into an interrogative sentence? just bring this helping verb in the front, which will become as is she coming? And then there is a question mark. So this is a declarative sentence and it has been changed into an interrogative sentence. Is it clear, children? Now, one more example if I give. I will go with her. How to make it interrogative? Will I? Just take this helping verb. This helping verb has to be changed. Okay. And this one. Will I go with her? And it should end with a question mark. Is it clear? So, example 1 and this is the second example. You have to just change the position of the helping verb. This will come here and this has to go this way. Just the position changes and it becomes an interrogative sentence. Is it clear? Now, you are supposed to do the exercises given in your grammar textbook. You have to rearrange the words according to the questions given. Some places you have to make it into a proper sentence. Somewhere you have to identify the different kinds of sentences and then you have to change the sentences into interrogative sentences also.